One new one I want to quickly look at in our ETF research sheet. This one came up. I also want to show you. Hopefully it's still there. One of the things I do at the end of the day is I go through and look at the double bottom and multiple bottom tickers in on the main page of FinViz. So I quickly look through these. Maybe I looked at that one, they lose money, etc. I'm familiar with those guys, they lose money. So this IDX popped up as an ETF on Indonesia, and I hadn't heard of a ETF on Indonesia, so that's a Southeast Asia. I thought that'd be interesting. We have several on Vietnam, India, China, etc. But I thought this would be interesting to take a look at. So I did the research on IDX in the research sheet in our ETFs Google sheet. So we can take a quick look at that. Also, I can pop that up in FinViz. So here in our research tab, you can see the current price. I identified the support and resistance levels. You can see the current risk-reward profile is pretty attractive if you want to do a short-term swing up. From a 52-week, it's not all that exciting, but from a top to bottom, it's got a nice risk-reward profile as well. You can see it's, relatively close to its 52-week low and this support level. So if we see there's that multiple bottom at 16, looks like it gets pretty good support off of that, bounces up. It looks like, it's in a narrowing channel, narrowing wedge. Does pay a small dividend. It is not optionable. Doesn't have a lot of volume, and there's some issues, some risks with these ETFs that, don't have a lot of volume, are kind of choppy. So just be aware, and I'll talk about some of those risks potentially again tomorrow. But if we zoom out on this a little bit, see in the past, it's been up in the 22s. We go farther back, had the big dip in 2020 down to 12 or so, been up in the 25s, back farther to 34. So it looks interesting. I wanted to add that in our ETF sheet. We can also see what it's comprised of, both in FinViz and in the ETF database. So we see finance, non-energy minerals, process, utilities, etc. Looks pretty broadly diversified, not a lot of tech, so it's light on tech right now, more finance, industrials. There's a big financial center in Kuala Lumpur. So Bank Central Asia, so banks. So you see its top 10 holding, a lot of banks. So one miner, one technology. So also if we look at it in the ETF database, so again, you can quickly access these profiles via the links to the ETF database and to the FinViz in our research tab in our Google sheet. So emerging markets of Indonesia, etc. Broad base, vanilla strategy, market cap weighted. Again, if we look at the holdings, we'll see some, very similar banks. Looks like, again, mostly banks. So again, I thought that was interesting, and if we start to hear, some companies moving out of China due to political risks in China, they have been moving to Vietnam. I'll throw out, again, I don't tend to be political, but let me throw out my 2 cents. Again, not financial advice, but in my humble opinion, moving out of China due to the risks of POC, the communist um, government in China, and moving to Vietnam, which is another communist country, pretty much controlled by China, I think is risky and probably not wise. So I think these companies moving out of China and moving to Vietnam, that might not be the best idea. I think you're assuming very similar risks there. Again, I could be wrong, not financial advice, but that's my humble opinion. So potentially, if we start to hear companies moving into Indonesia, this IDX might be an ETF that we might want to take a look at going forward. So again, now we can find that in the research tab in our ETFs Google sheet. We can keep an eye on that for opportunities in Indonesia. So I hope that helps. I thought that was interesting. And let me know what you all think. Have you traded anything in Indonesia? What do you think of that as a market? Any particular stocks? I, again, thought that was interesting. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow beach bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.